Hey everyone, this is David Haydock here at FieldNotes AI. I'm a client success manager, and we're here just to show you how to get started in just a few quick minutes.
My name is Khek, and I'm here to show you today how to get started on FieldNotes in 5 easy steps. So just to kind of share with you my screen and logging in, this is a demo environment for us, but very simple way to get started and get you introduced to FieldNotes. One of the first steps that I would recommend is always going to fieldnotes.ai/start. And it's a quick, simple way. You got Sparky on the side. If you want to use the guided tour of getting started, what I'm going to cover with you right now, you can use Sparky to be able to cover through those 5 simple steps there. And it'll wait for you. If you want to have any frequently asked questions, take a look at this page as well too, and it'll walk you through all those steps and answer any questions that you might have. But let me just get started on the dashboard first. In terms of one of the first things that we always tell you to do is save Sparky as a contact. And so let me kind of share you Sparky's contact information. One of the first things that I like to get started and get going is first step is to be able to save Sparky as a contact on your phone. So if you have your phone ready, first save Sparky's phone number, which is located with this number, and its email address too. So you can now save Sparky on your phone, add it as a favorite, and super simple. Then now you can text or email. You can text like simple text messages or email your notes. You can include attachments or pictures in whatever messages that you send to Sparky. Sparky will automatically upload the content and save those messages directly into the system for you. Now, step number 2 is then, if we go through this together, I'll guide you on it. Basically, I would encourage you to go to the to download the mobile app. Now, as you can see here, all you have to do is search for this keyword on your if you're the App Store for the in iTunes, or if you're an Android user, you can go directly to the Google Play Store and look up the word FieldNotes AI. Okay, and once you save on your phone, it's a handy way for you to kind of look at your contacts, look at information, and quickly enter out, save any information or retrieve any information as well too. Then the third thing is to connect your calendar. So what does that do for you? Simply, what it does is that it saves all that information. If you connect your calendar and your email, every time you go into the system, an email is sent from the application. Those emails will be sent from your email box. It won't be sent from any of the mail servers or anything like that, but it'll be sent from your mailbox. And any calendar events will also automatically be connected to your mobile phone so that you can easily see it as well too. Let me show you how you get there. First, you go to upper right hand corner where it says welcome your name. Drop that down, hit settings. And from the settings here, you have 2 options connecting to your mailbox. So you can have a choice of Google account or your Microsoft account. And as you can see, here's my email is connected already. If it's connected, it will show a checkbox here with a green. Now, word for a tip is that make sure that you only connect one account, not 2 emails. I know some agents have both Gmail as well as Microsoft accounts, but you can only connect one at a time. Now, after that, I would also take the next step is to set up your signature blocks. And so this allows you to, and you go there by clicking on My Profile and go to the second tab, Signatures and More. And this is where you can put your signature block with your name, contact number, and also an image of myself or Sparky in this case for your emails or for text messages. And once you're done with making those edits, you click Save. And then what this does is now, if you're in a team and anytime you send an email campaign, you can easily pull all your signature blocks for pulling from your email information from this profile, either for text or email itself too. So that's the 4th step. And the last step that I would say to get started is to upload your database. And in order to kind of upload your database into the, and create contacts within a database, It's a super simple thing. All you have to do is email your AI assistant, so Sparky, and email a CSV file, and it will automatically get queued up for uploading. And once it's been uploaded, you can send it and upload it into the database quickly. And that's simply it. That's the 5 steps to get started in less than 5 minutes. Thank you for your time.